Here we go.
Okay.
Morning.
Probably just a thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cotton County and southwestern Oklahoma, south central Grady County and central Oklahoma, western Stevens County and southern Oklahoma, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Quorum, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Dang.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
It's that
Duncan,
spider on
Wallow, Rush Springs, Bray, Quorum, Eureka Lake, Central High, and Empire City.
Get off.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.